Hey everyone, it's Chef Thomas from the Culinary Recipe Creations channel here, and today we're diving into the super exciting world of desserts. But before we begin, subscribe to our channel, thanks. Now, let's face it, who doesn't love a little something sweet to end their day on a happy note? But hold on, because we're not talking about your grandma's apple pie here. No offense, Grandma, yours is the best. We're talking about the hottest, most innovative, totally mind-blowing dessert trends taking the world by storm. Get ready to have your taste buds tantalized because we're about to uncover 7 trends that are completely changing the dessert game. From crazy flavor combos that'll make you say, "What?" to presentations so stunning you'll want to Instagram them instantly. These trends are seriously next level, so grab your spoons, your forks, and maybe even a bib. Things are about to get delicious. And let's jump into the wonderful world of tomorrow's tastiest treats. Alright, trendsetters, buckle up because the first stop on our dessert adventure is all about throwing the rulebook out the window. We're talking about the rise of the unexpected, those flavor combos that make you scratch your head at first, but then have you saying, okay, I need more. This trend is all about embracing the unexpected harmony between sweet and savory. Think along the lines of rich, dark chocolate cake layered with a hint of smoky chipotle chili pepper. Or how about a creamy avocado mousse with a tangy lime zest, topped with crunchy, savory granola. This trend is about pushing boundaries and opening our minds and mouths to flavor profiles we never thought possible in the dessert world. Chefs and bakers are getting seriously creative, experimenting with ingredients like black garlic, miso paste, aged cheeses, and even bacon, yes, bacon, to create desserts that are truly one of a kind. And you know what the best part is? These unexpected pairings aren't just about shocking your taste buds, although they definitely do that. They're about creating depth and complexity, balancing sweet and savory notes to create a symphony of flavors in every single bite. So ditch the idea that desserts have to be all sugar and spice. The future of sweets is all about embracing the unexpected, the bold, and the daring. Are you ready to take your taste buds on a wild ride? Because the world of savory sweet desserts is waiting. Get ready to pack your bags and grab your passport because the next stop on our dessert adventure is taking us on a trip around the globe. That's right, the future of desserts is all about embracing the incredible diversity of flavors from around the world. We're talking about experiencing the vibrant spices of Southeast Asia in a delicate mango sticky rice infused with fragrant pandan leaves. Or maybe you're craving the rich, nutty flavors of the Middle East. Then you've got to try a creamy pistachio baklava drizzled with fragrant rosewater syrup. And hey, don't even get me started on South America. Get ready for a taste bud explosion with a decadent brigadeiro made with rich Brazilian chocolate and a touch of condensed milk. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. This trend is all about bringing the world's most beloved and time-honored flavors to the dessert table. It's about exploring new cultures and traditions through the delicious lens of sweet treats. And let me tell you, it's an explosion of flavor in every bite. So if you're ready to embark on a culinary adventure without even leaving your kitchen, then hop on board the global dessert train. It's a delicious way to expand your palate, discover new cultures, and satisfy your sweet cravings all at the same time. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for it. All right, dessert enthusiasts, it's time to get a little experimental. In this chapter, we're diving into a trend that's all about pushing the boundaries of what we think of as dessert ingredients. Get ready for innovative ingredients that are shaking up the sweet treat scene. We're talking about things like fermented foods, which might sound a little strange at first, but trust me on this one. Think about the tangy, complex flavors of sourdough bread. Now imagine that depth and richness in a decadent chocolate cake or a creamy cheesecake. Mind blown, right? But it doesn't stop there. Chefs are also experimenting with ancient grains like quinoa and amaranth, adding a unique texture and nutty flavor to everything from cookies to crumbles. And let's not forget about the power of veggies. We're seeing beets, carrots, and even zucchini sneaking their way into our desserts, adding a touch of natural sweetness and a vibrant pop of color. This trend isn't just about being different for the sake of it, it's about exploring the incredible versatility of ingredients we might not typically associate with desserts, and using them in creative ways to enhance flavor, texture, and even nutritional value. So if you're ready to expand your dessert horizons and embrace the unexpected, then the world of innovative ingredients is waiting for you. Get ready to be amazed by the creativity and deliciousness that emerge when culinary boundaries are pushed. Hold on to your hats, dessert lovers, because this next trend is all about the wow factor. We're talking about mind-blowing presentations that are so visually stunning, so incredibly creative, that you almost don't want to eat them. Almost. In the age of Instagram, desserts have become more than just a sweet treat. They're an art form. We're seeing gravity-defying cakes that seem to float in mid-air, edible sculptures that belong in a museum, and intricate designs that look too beautiful to be real. Think shimmering mirror glazes that reflect like 1,000 tiny stars, delicate sugar flowers that look like they were plucked straight from a garden, and geometric chocolate work that's so precise it'll make your jaw drop. And the best part? This trend isn't just limited to fancy restaurants or high-end bakeries. With a little bit of creativity and some online inspiration, anyone can create show-stopping desserts right in their own kitchen. So get ready to unleash your inner artist and let your imagination run wild. Because the future of desserts is all about creating edible masterpieces that are as visually stunning as they are delicious. Don't forget to snap a pic before you dig in. These desserts deserve their moment in the spotlight. Calling all health-conscious dessert lovers, just because you're mindful of what you eat doesn't mean you have to miss out on the sweet treats. In fact, one of the biggest trends shaping the future of desserts is all about creating delicious and satisfying options that are also good for you. We're talking about desserts made with natural sweeteners like maple syrup, honey, and dates, which offer a healthier alternative to refined sugar without sacrificing sweetness. And don't forget about the power of fruit. From vibrant berries to tropical mangoes, fruits are naturally sweet and packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making them the perfect base for guilt-free desserts. But it doesn't stop there. We're also seeing a rise in desserts made with alternative flours like almond flour, coconut flour, and oat flour, which are naturally gluten-free and packed with nutrients. And for those looking for a little extra protein boost, get ready for desserts featuring ingredients like chickpeas, black beans, and even lentils. This trend is all about proving that healthy and delicious don't have to be mutually exclusive. So ditch the guilt and indulge in a sweet treat that nourishes your body and satisfies your sweet tooth. Get ready to experience the future of dessert customization. One of the most exciting trends emerging in the sweet treat world is all about hyper-personalized treats, desserts that are tailored specifically to your unique tastes and preferences. Imagine walking into a bakery and being able to create your dream dessert from scratch, choosing everything from the type of cake or cookie to the flavors, fillings, and toppings. Or picture ordering a custom cake online that's decorated with your favorite colors, characters, or even a picture of your pet. With advancements in technology and a growing demand for personalized experiences, the possibilities for customized desserts are endless. We're talking about 3D printed chocolates in intricate designs, personalized messages written in edible ink, and desserts that cater to specific dietary needs and allergies. This trend is all about putting the power of creation in the hands of the consumer, allowing you to indulge in a dessert that's truly one of a kind and perfectly tailored to your individual preferences. So get ready to unleash your inner dessert designer and create a sweet treat that's as unique and special as you are. As we become more aware of our impact on the planet, it's no surprise that sustainability is becoming a major focus in the food industry, and yes, that includes desserts. The future of sweets is all about creating delicious treats that are as kind to the planet as they are to our taste buds. This means sourcing ingredients from local farmers and suppliers, reducing food waste by using every part of an ingredient, and choosing eco-friendly packaging options that are biodegradable or compostable. We're seeing a rise in vegan and plant-based desserts that rely on sustainable ingredients like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. And many bakeries and dessert shops are now offering reusable containers or encouraging customers to bring their own containers to reduce waste. But sustainability isn't just about the environment, it's also about supporting ethical and fair trade practices. By choosing desserts made with ingredients that are sourced responsibly, we can help ensure that farmers and workers are treated fairly, and that our sweet treats are made with integrity. So the next time you're craving something sweet, consider indulging in a dessert that's good for you, good for the planet, and supports a good cause. Because the future of sweets is sustainable, ethical, and absolutely delicious. Wow, can you believe all the amazing dessert trends we just explored? From unexpected flavor combos to mind-blowing presentations and sustainable practices, The future of sweets is looking seriously delicious. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling so inspired to get in the kitchen and start experimenting with some of these awesome trends. Which trend are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel for more exciting dessert trends and sweet treat inspirations. See you next time.